Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the slide where you want the clip. Click Insert, then Screen Recording. Choose Select Area. You can drag to capture a window or custom region. Turn on microphone so your narration is recorded, and enable camera if you want a picture-in-picture face cam. Once done, check system audio if you need desktop sounds. Make sure microphone levels are reasonable so your voice isn't clipping or too quiet. Record a quick 3-5 second test to confirm levels and framing before the full take. Press record and begin your walkthrough. Narrate clearly and pause between steps to breathe. Pausing prevents long editing. Use the pen or highlighter tools to call out details on screen because visual emphasis helps retention. When you finish, hit stop. PowerPoint places the clip on the slide automatically. Once done, right-click the clip and choose Trim to remove dead space at the start or end. Make sure to save the presentation so the embedded media persists, and export to MP4 if you need a shareable video file. Finalize by playing the slide to confirm audio sync and visual quality. Watch the entire clip once to catch any slips. Export via File, Export, create a video, pick resolution and timing options, and then create the MP4. If you run into issues, first verify microphone and camera permissions in your OS and that PowerPoint is using the correct input device. Restart PowerPoint if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is missing, check that the clip's audio is not muted and that system privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.